Fire. There's a fire within me burning because I have been dedicating my time and decluttering my life for the past few months, starting with our home. I'm not quite done yet, and I have made a pact with myself to do more purging each season this year, but let me just say that the start of my year is already giving me satisfaction. Now that we have cleared most areas in our home, I feel like we just made room for more luck, abundance, and prosperity. I can now start a fresh life and start with my self-development project and focus on my goal of raising funds for emergency, for stagnant winter months, investments, and our most awaited vacation, even without sacrificing the luxury of having the nicest things around me. How do I do that? By managing our finances, adding other sources of income, and being frugally creative. But today, the main highlight of this video is our washrooms and our budget-friendly powder room. I am obsessed with washrooms and powder rooms. To be honest, I don't mind cleaning them either. There was this Japanese pop song that I used to listen before about the meaning of having a tidy washroom or toilet. In Japanese culture, it is believed that keeping the toilets clean brings good fortune. So the whole month of April, I scrubbed, sanitized, painted, and really made all our washrooms pretty. Because we couldn't put a soap box in our master's bedroom's walk-in washroom, I bought these multifunction shelves from Amazon. It is only stick-on, but hopefully it will last forever. Hi, meron pa pong forever, opo. I also got the stick-on soap tray a while back from Winners. For our powder room, we are using all the existing features but elevating the look, not the pit. This floating shelf was built by my client who loves taking on hobbies. This was one of her projects. I believe I paid $5 for this. I didn't sand it before and went straight to painting it black. Back then, I don't really think. I just do. This time, we are sanding it over the black paint to smooth it out and give it a vintage rustic look. Zero money spent. This is the before. We are also keeping the round wooden mirror, the sink, and the vanity or sink drawer, and of course the toilet because it's still new. Keeping the floor as well. And we are just going to take out the lights and change it. And we have to organize this closet because it's messy. This is a clip when my cousin-in-law was painting it with this beautiful mural, but because the white walls are so dirty, I can't go around the mural to freshen it up. So sadly, it's time to let it go. And this is my mood board for the inspo. And off we went to Home Depot. Vintage now. Like you. So we took it out. Oh, we forgot to buy. I love the lights. It's time to clear this up. And we're just gonna clear this up and then we'll fix it, paint the outside to match this. And that there's black on top of it and gold. Okay, let's paint this. within one day.
Wow! It's a faucet that you have to put. Wow, shiny, shimmering splendor.
And for the final look, for this washer makeover, we spent $3 for the frame, $65 for the fresh cream paint, $79.99 for the faucet, and $65 for the light fixture. We used our old black paint and called it a day. The total is $212 or probably more. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!